Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. I'm Abdullah. Welcome to my channel Yaqeen. I started my channel in 2020 during the COVID lockdown, primarily to share my Urdu poetry. Lately, I've decided to add something more in it. So if you're interested, please subscribe my channel. Viewers, this video is about my first static line parachute jump. Static line parachute jump is a solo jump. Static line is a cord attached at one end to the aircraft and at the other end to the top of the skydiver's deployment bag, into which the parachute canopy is packed. When the skydiver jumps from the aircraft, the static line stretches and pulls the deployment bag or D bag out of the container on the skydiver's back, and parachute opens in around 3 seconds. Once the parachute opens, the skydiver maneuvers it with steering toggles. I did the jump at Skydive Weston, based at the Royal Air Force Field located near the village of Weston on the Green in Oxfordshire, England, in August 2010. I reached there around 8 o'clock in the morning. There were 9 people in my batch. I was the only Pakistani and the rest were British Goras. After 8 hours training session, we were ready for the jump, but we had to wait for the weather conditions to improve, as it was cloudy and very windy as well. The weather improved in the afternoon and we all boarded a little plane. When the plane reached at the height of 3,500 feet, the instructor opened the door and we all jumped out of the plane one by one. After I jumped out of the plane, I heard the ground instructor on walkie-talkie that was attached to my helmet. He was telling me that my parachute was twisted. I looked up and started pulling the parachute lines apart and kicking in the air. And within 15 seconds, the parachute lines were untwisted. I pulled down the steering toggles a couple of times and the parachute was fully inflated. Now the parachute was in my control. I was using the steering toggles to make left and right turns. I was flying. I can't put into words how amazing was that unforgettable, mesmerizing experience of flying. It took me around 5 minutes to reach the ground. Alhamdulillah, I landed safely near the target. I would like to thank the wonderful staff at Skydive Weston and all my well-wishers. A big thanks to the ground instructor who guided me throughout the jump on walkie-talkie. In skydiving, the moment you're about to jump is the maximum fear. But once you're out of the plane, there is no fear. Dear viewers, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel.